Everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about optimizing report for Power BI mobile app. So, while optimizing the reports for Power BI mobile app, ensure that users have a seamless and effective experience when accessing and interacting with the data on their mobile devices with the steps that I am going to tell you. So, what are some of the best practices that you can do to optimize your Power BI reports? The first one is that whenever you are designing it for mobile layout, you have to make sure you are adding the visuals and they are in the right size and proportion, and you are removing the unnecessary visuals. So show only the visuals which you think are the important. Now what are some of the other key features? So let's say the first one is simplifying the visuals. Over here what you can do is you can focus on the key matrices. For example, prioritize the key metrics and KPIs that are crucial for mobile users. Simplified visuals make it very easier for the users to quickly grasp the important information. You can also use the compact visuals. You can utilize the visual like cards, gauges, and bar charts that display information clearly without requiring extensive scrolling or interaction. Then you can also optimize the data refreshes. So you can provide scheduled refresh, ensure that your data is set to refresh at appropriate intervals to provide up-to-date information. This is especially important for mobile users who rely on timely data. The next one is reduce data volume. You can minimize the amount of data loaded into the reports to improve the performance. Use filters to limit the data to what is necessary for the mobile users. Then you can also enhance the performance. You can limit the visuals per page. When you have too many visuals, it can slow down the performance. So aim to have fewer, more impactful visuals on each page. The next one is optimize text queries. Ensure that the text queries are optimized for performance. Avoid complex calculations that can slow down the report's loading time. Next one is use aggregated data. So wherever possible, use pre-aggregated data to reduce the load on the report. Then you can test it out on the mobile devices. Use preview on mobile, where you can use the Power Mobile app to preview your reports. This would help in identifying any layout issues or performance bottlenecks. Also, you can seek the user feedback. So gather feedback from the mobile users to understand their needs and make any necessary adjustments. The next one is navigation and user experience. So ensure that the navigation is intuitive. Use buttons and bookmarks to create a seamless user experience. Also maintain a consistent design language across the mobile layout to ensure that familiarity and ease of use. What are some of the other tips you can follow for effective mobile report design? You can prioritize the readability. You can use the larger fonts and clear labels to ensure that the text is easily readable on smaller screen. You can make some touch friendly controls where you can make sure that the buttons are interactive elements and all these things are large enough to be easily tapped with the fingers. Then you can minimize the scrolling. You can arrange visuals to reduce the need for excessive scrolling. Important information should be immediately visible. You can also use the tooltips. While tooltips can provide additional information, they can be difficult to use on the mobile devices. So ensure that the essential information is directly visible to the user. So you can basically reduce the need of these tooltips. So optimizing the Power BI reports for mobile users involves the thoughtful design, performance, concentration, and user experience enhancement. By focusing on these key metrics, simplifying visuals, and ensuring a user-friendly layout, you can create effective and efficient mobile report that empowers the users to access the critical data and insights on the go. Regular testing and user feedback will further refine the mobile experience, making your reports more valuable to the mobile users. So this was all for this session. In the next session, we'll be talking about the Power BI mobile application. Thank you.